Hi everyone, today I have an Agrabah Marketplace build to share with you, and there are actually going to be two versions of this build, before and after the Aladdin update. This first version of the market I built way before the Aladdin update and before we had the rotation available. This version is mostly done with the Eternity Isle items, like all the stalls that are available at crafting station when you have the expansion. And since this was before the 16-point rotation added, all the paths are mostly straight and all the stalls and tents are at 90 degrees. I really liked having this version of a market for a while, and this was the only finished part of my glittering dunes before the Aladdin update. It definitely felt like it was lacking actual Agrabah inspired items since we didn't have a lot of furniture items in the Aladdin collection before the latest update. This market has this overall rustic look with a lot of various items cluttered together, mixed with some tropical plants, a lot of wood elements, and some gold accents. And this second version of Agrabah Marketplace is done after the Aladdin update and after finishing the star path and collecting all the items. I also got lucky to pick up some Aladdin theme items from the Scrooge store that came with this update. This version is also using the Agrabah Marketplace set from the premium shop and the Agrabah wall set, which is very useful if you want to have this Agrabah looking build. It brings all the elements together. After combining all the market stalls from the update, Eternity Isle and the premium shop, now I think my market has enough variety and is starting to feel like a market from the movie. I have also been able to clutter the stalls with items that looked more on theme and felt appropriate this time. After using the decor items available, I also went ahead and dropped some items from the storage for decoration purposes, and it helped to fill up the stalls to add even more variety. Walking through this market feels immersive and so much fun. I really like how this build turned out, and I especially love the layout when I can rotate the stalls and create interesting paths and composition. I kept this main path leading to the palace and added side paths going around the stalls connecting side exits. With the multiple routes available, this section of Glittering Dunes now feels bigger than it is. I was also trying to preserve the desert color scheme of the earthy tones, yellows and orange. I intentionally tried to not to use too many dark items here. This sun-baked earthen road path has enough of the contrast for the sand around and the tropical wood floor layered on top. I also had to go and manually turn on all these ancient wooden lampposts from the crafting bench. We really need an option in-game to turn on the lights, not only when it gets dark, but during the day as well, because it looks so much better with the lights turned on. The market takes the spot in Glittering Dunes, the section that is called the Borderlands, from where you can see the Agrabah Palace ahead. After building the market, I continue to fill up the other separated areas in Glittering Dunes, and it is going to have the Agrabah Palace built, Palace Gardens and Oasis area, which I will be making a separate video about. I hope you enjoyed this before and after Agrabah Market transformation. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone!